Welcome to Catherine the Paint. Today I'm going to dip a set of coasters of 4 with the silver, the black, and the white. And this is inspired by Soraya Silvestri because before we did our collab just recently, I was looking through hers and I saw her do these dips and I thought that looked like fun, so I thought I'd try it too. So, you just put down some paint. I've done a dip once on a painting with 2 canvases, but that's the only one I've done. So, who knows? It might take me a couple tries to get enough paint on here, but, you know, you can always dip it more than once. That might not be enough paint. So have you guys done dips, and how did they turn out? Whoops. I know Fiona is like the queen of dips. But I have watched her a lot. I love her stuff, but I've never done it. That is not interesting enough. Whoops. Wonder if that's interesting enough. Oh yeah, that's much better. You should drop it. That'll work. Alright. So that's the first one. I guess I should have set up a place to set these down. No, that would have been smart. Hold on just a second. Alright, I got myself situated. I have so many projects going on right now. It's getting a little bit out of hand. Just a little bit. Alright, a lot of it. Well, I hope these look like a set when I get done with this. Alright. I kind of like that, actually. Just gonna make sure the corner is covered. Okay, bubbles. Alright, I think that's number 2. Be right back. Alright, that second one does not match the first one at all. So I may have to dip it again or dip the other one again. Depends on how the rest of them turn out. Just gonna play it by ear. It's because I dipped the first one twice and then the second one only dipped it once. Okay, yeah, not liking that. Ooh, I like that. Gotta make sure your edges are covered. Alright, cool. It's number 2, or number 3. This is quite a messy proposition here. See if I can dip it without putting fresh down. Oh yeah, that looks good. But I don't have anything on that corner, so. You always want to fix your edges now because it's so much easier to do it now than it is later. Let me get it while it's all wet. Alright. I have to go get that second one and re-dip it because it does not match. Alright. Can slap down a little bit more paint. I could probably do this all day. It's pretty quick and easy. Awesome. What do you think? How about a bonus coaster since I just have it sitting here? And I think I have plenty of paint already down. Maybe not. A little bit more. Well, I think this is an awesome beginner project. Whoa, cool. Awesome. I have a class and I bet they would love to do this. Fun. All right, I will bring you down to see them all together. All right, here are the 5. Started out as 4 and turned into 5. There's the first one. I think that's the third one, actually. I think this was the second one, and then we had to dip it twice. And that's the 4th one. And that's the 5th one. Let me see if I can get some more close-ups. Look at the movement in that. Isn't that fun? I think these are going to dry good, I hope. The black, silver, and white just really do go together. All right, there they are. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. This was a fun, quick project. Y'all should try it. It's so much fun. Please like and subscribe. Be inspired.